guys, and welcome to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Today we're going to go ahead and make some lovely chocolate puffs that are quick and easy to make and just as tasty. Merry COOKMAS Day 5. I already have 5 days under our belt. Thank you so much for joining me for another COOKMAS. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make these lovely little chocolate puffs. These are a nice, quick, and yummy snack, but surely has a taste that you will enjoy. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. So what do you think of this quick and easy recipe for chocolate puffs? Of course, they are filled with chocolate and then glazed, and then we added more little chocolate chips on top just so you are clear what kind of puff you are getting into. But the chocolate melted perfectly inside. It was ooey, it was gooey. Kind of reminded me of one of those fancy chocolate croissants you might get from a nice bakery, but definitely more affordable and definitely simpler to make. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried a chocolate puff this way. Share this video out. I certainly appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during this COOKMAS season. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.